Why do you even want to read it? You're looking at UPSC, you're looking at civil services. You have not gotten into reading economic newspapers and don't understand how economic papers work. A good thing about Indian Express is, why will you read this? You will read this because there are two different aspects to this. There is a political message in this. Elections are around the corner. You have to figure out what the issue is, how the issue is, and how they're going to respond. One small headline has so many dimensions to it. But more than the story itself, you should know about the laws that govern the story. Many newspapers, along with 4 national dailies also. You don't need any coaching center. You should know why. And this is interesting.